Sir? And other sir? What happened? I mean, I'm a cop, I don't have handcuffs. I mean, of course I wouldn't have done this to you. What are you doing, buddy? You want more? You want more? I don't have handcuffs, see? I think this guy is, simple. Sorry. Cooperate with me. You're under arrest. I wonder how many people have arrested you. Sir! He's not complying. I think you need to make your friend, comply. Son. Son? Is that you? I'm a cop. By the name of Ford. What's your name? Also Ford? Figures. I'm having a little trouble. I don't want my hand there. Sir, I think you need to comply with me. I said you need to. Okay, buddy. Please, kill him. Oh no. I'm just gonna break real quick. Oh yeah, I think you need to wake up, sir. I'm taking you in. He stole my handcuffs. Can you believe it? What are you? What? Oh, he is waking up. Wake up, sir. Sir, which one of you is alive? Is it you? Last. Sir, I gotta take you in. You're looking the same as everyone else. There. Full. Comply. I said comply, sir. No complying. Open wide. Now you're complying. Okay, sir. I think your arm. Let's have it up. Buddy, I think it's time. Chiropractic. There. Wake up. It's not Sunshine and Rainbows time. It's a world full of Fords.